Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2024.2, that is the latest version on VMware Workstation. First go to Kali Linux official website and download it. So kali.org, hit enter, then click on download. See here we have the installer images, virtual machines, ARM, mobile cloud, containers, live boot and WSL. But if you want older versions, go down, go to the bottom, go to the end, then click on see archived releases, so we can get the older versions. But for the latest version, go to home, click on installer images. See here we have the Kali Linux 2024.2 and 64-bit or 32-bit versions. So for 64-bit, select 64-bit and click on download ISO. Click on it. See, download has been started. Go to downloads, full download history. See, the size is 4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded Kali Linux 2024 installer ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Search for, see, we have the VMware Workstation Pro and VMware Workstation Player. VMware Workstation Player is free to use for non-commercial use, but VMware Workstation is paid ones. But the Kali Linux installation process is same on both Workstation Pro and Workstation Player. Okay, so open it. See, these are the virtual machines on my PC. So to create new virtual machine, click on create a new virtual machine. Click on it. See, click on next. See, we got the same create new virtual machine wizard. Even if we go to VMware Workstation Player, we got the same options. Let me open it. See, click on create a new virtual machine to create the virtual machine for the Kali Linux 2024. So I'm closing this one. See, if we click on it, see, we got the same window or wizard. Okay, so click on select the installer disk image file and click on browse. Then select the downloaded one and click on open. Then click on next. Select the Linux and type is Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Here provide the name. I am giving Kali 2024.2. Copy it. Then choose the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on make a new folder. Paste it. Hit enter. Click on OK. Click on next. Then here I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to customize the hardware, click on customize hardware. Here we can change. Otherwise, click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings, click on edit virtual machine settings. Right click and select the settings. Or select the virtual machine and select the VM and click on settings. All three options are same. Okay, now click on power on this virtual machine. See here, use the up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Location, I am okay with the United States, then click on continue. Keyboard, American English. This is the host name. I am okay with that one. Then click on. If you want to change the host name, you can change. Or else once installation completes, then also you can change. Keep this host name as it is. Click on continue. If you want to add this host to domain, you have to provide the domain name. Otherwise, keep blank and click on continue. Later also you can add this to domain. Click on continue. Let's create a new user to login. So I'm giving user full name as R2schools. Okay, this is not the username. Now see, here we have to provide the username. So I'm okay with the user full name as username. So click on continue. Provide the password and click on continue. Select the time zone. Click on continue. select the guided and use the entire disk and click on continue. Continue. Okay. Next, click on continue. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk and click on continue. Select yes and click on continue. Here we have to select the software. By default it has selected the XFCE. If you want Genome, select Genome also. If you want KDE Plasma, select it. At present I am going with XFCE, so click on continue. Now it is asking us to install Grub Loader. So select yes and click on continue. Select the device and click on continue. See, installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than the restarting the installation. So right click on virtual machine, click on settings, then remove this connect add power on and click on OK. Now click on continue. Provide username and password. Hit enter. Click on menu. See, we have the different applications. Click on terminal. Let me increase the font. Click on file, preferences, then change font, then increase the size. Click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Let me maximize it. Now verify version of the Kali Linux more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux and its version is 2024.2. Let us verify the IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Control L to clear screen. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2024.2 on VMWare Workstation. For more Kali Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.